inakuwa so huku na kule.
Yeah.
Otherwise your day was good?
Yes, it was.
Okay, even mine was nice.
Okay.
So see, we just start immediately?
Yes.
Okay, so share. So we are doing in advance and installment.
Yes.
Okay, so we can log in. You are seeing my screen?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to log in the normal way you log in with the
PIN.
Yeah, with the PIN. So here we are. So when we start with the advance,
Yes.
you remember we said advance is for paying for public and commercial vehicles before getting licensed.
Yes.
So you just go, after logging in that way, you just go direct to payment registration.
Yeah.
You see where my cursor is? So you click on payment registration. Then just wait so that it can log in. So once you are there, you just come here. You just say next, okay? You say next. It will ask you, do you want to proceed? You say, okay. Then we wait so that it can get in there. Then once you are there, you see where the tax aid is.
Yes.
Yes. In this case, it is income tax. This is income tax. And the sub-aid, you choose what is called advance payment. You see where it is?
Yes.
Then after doing that, you just do what? Choose the self-assessment tax. We are together?
Yes.
Then the periods, so it will depend which period are you. So even you are in January 2022 to December 2022, you just pick there. If it is January 2023 to December 2023, you pick there. So you pick your period. So for example, we have picked January 2022 to December 2022. Then here we have two ways of doing this. So you can do it by using Excel upload. So if you have the Excel upload, you will use the Excel upload. But I really prefer people to use the website because it is just one item. I recommend people to use the website form. So you just click where the website form. Okay. Then it will give you the vehicle registration number. So let's say it is maybe KDC 641A. Okay. So the type of vehicle, this is where you choose which type of vehicle. For example, we can choose the passenger carrying vehicle. So when we choose the passenger carrying vehicle, we can say the body, which body is it, yellow, whatever. So we can say maybe yellow. Then make, maybe it is Toyota. So all these things, you extract them from your logbook. So the logbook of your vehicle has all these details. It can body type, it has the make, all that. So it has the registration number, so you pick them from your logbook. Then maybe it is a Toyota, so we can say Toyota. Sorry, Toyota. Yeah. Then from there, you just come capacity. So this is where we said you have to, if maybe it is 5, whatever. Let's say it is 60 capacity. Okay. So if you say it is 60 capacity, it can automatically inoculate the amount. You remember how much we said?
20%.
We said, sorry. We said, sorry, we said it is 60 what? It's 60 per, let me.
60 shillings per, is it per cc?
A minute. Then I'm sharing this one, sorry. Then it is advance. So you are seeing my screen? We said for saloon cars, minibuses, it is 60 shillings per passenger. Okay? 60 shillings per passenger per month, subject to a minimum of 2,400 per year. So if you come here, if I stop sharing this and I share where we were, sorry, where we were, yeah. You are seeing my screen?
Yes.
Sorry. Where were we here? A minute. This one. So you are seeing my screen?
Yes.
So if you take 43,200 divided by 60, you get how much?
You get 82. 82
shillings.
82. I think 82. 82 passengers. 82? I mean 82 shillings, sorry.
82 shillings. So, meaning it is saying it is.
It should be 72, sorry, 72.
72.
Yes.
So maybe a minute, if we say 5, what it will give us what? It will give us 3,600. So if you take 3,600, 3,600 divide by 5, you get 720. So I think in the year 2000, you see these things go zinaenda zikilikuwa revised, okay? They are not constant. So I think the year we picked 2020, this year 2022 to January 2022 to December 2022, they are judging how much? 72 shillings. Are we together? So yes. It will calculate you calculate automatically. So you don't need to. Once you put the percentage, the system knows how much it is, how much you are supposed to charge per passenger. Are we together, mpaka hapo?
Yeah.
So from there, you do what? You add here. Do you want to add the details? You say okay. Pamoja hapo? So itakwambia hapa itakwambia hapa, itakwambia all the details. Tax period is January 2022 to December 2022. Then passenger carrying vehicle, KDC 641A, vehicle capacity 5, amount payable 36, amount to be paid 36. So you hapa, maybe you might not be having hiyo pesa, maybe uko na pesa kidogo hapa unataka kulipa tena next week before you go for inspection. So you can decide the amount you are paying. So maybe you can decide you are paying 3,000. So amount to be paid unaweka hapo 3,000. So utakuwa na balance. Sorry, why is it not hapa juu? So amount to be paid. Sorry, where is it? No, this one you cannot pay in installment. You just pay once. Tuko pamoja? So this one you pay at once. So you come here, choose the mode of payments. You can others. So you can come here also. When you say so, ukisema others, you can either pay through M-Pesa, or you go to the bank, or you do APCD. Then from there you submit. Here we don't want to submit because we don't want to create that tax liability on this account. Since we are not doing. Since this person is not filing that advance payment. So that is the procedure. You submit. After submitting, you either go to the bank, or after submitting, you get the normal paying slips. You know how it looks like for what? For KRA. It's like this. That's an example. Okay. It's called payment details. So it will say payment type, it's self-assessment tax, advance tax, amount to be paid. Then once you pay, you see this code. Ako kakitu where my cursor is. NTSA will scan that code. So after NTSA, when they will be scanning this code, they will know whether you have paid or you have not paid. So once you have paid, you present that one. Then after presenting it, your vehicle gets inspected. You are issued with a license. You go and continue doing the business, and that is all. Yes.
Oh, that's good.
That is good. Then now, because now we didn't want to do this, we can do what? We can delete. We can delete because we don't want that record. So we just do the, so it can tell you deleted. So it has no effect in your account. Yeah. So that is all about advance payment. Maybe if you have any question, you can ask before we go on.
I think that is straightforward.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Okay.
It's a bit simple.
It's a bit simple. Actually, it's a bit simple. Then now you unapambana na hiyo hali too. So you just go take even your PIN, go the same process we have done, then do it. But you remember to delete. If you get any difficulties, get back to me. Okay. Straight we go to again installment tax. You remember? So
yeah.
So you remember what we said? We said that you remember this a minute, how you calculate. So that is the most important thing that you have to remember. Calculation is very important.
Yes.
You remember how we calculated it? These are the ways we said. Prior year tax, you multiply by 110, then you compare. If it is a continuing business, you compare with the projection of the current financial year. You take the lower. So if it is a business that has come from making losses, you just project. If it is a new business, you just do a projection. We are together. So you remember the schedule I shared, we calculated. So we can go straight to filing. Okay. Using what? Using what we got. We got, if you remember, this is what, sorry, minute. Just a minute, I open a document. I'm looking for the document. Kenya Revenue. Sorry. So you are seeing my document? Iko black sana?
Not yet.
Even now?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's
Iko, hey,
black.
mtu huyu hata sijui alifanya nini na machine. So this there you can see. Iko dark sana.
That's better.
That is better.
That's better.
Okay. So
yeah.
you remember this is the way we calculate it. So you can just try to calculate whatever, see how far you will go for using the method I gave you. Then now when we are going to file, we said we are going to file first installment, that one, okay? Second installment, 2,287. So we straight go to iTax and see how it is done. You are seeing my screen?
Not yet.
Okay, it is coming.
Yeah, now I can see it.
Now you can see. So the same way, you come to payment registration. Same way, that's the same procedure. You come to that way. So let's wait. That way. So you go to next. After payment registration, this is what you get. You click next. You say, do you want to proceed? You say yes. Then itakuletea hivyo. Then hapa that one, you just choose the income tax. Then you come here, you choose the what? If it is, this is a company, okay? This pin is for a company, okay? So if it is for individual, you choose individual, but mostly this one is for companies, for installment companies. So we said it can be either companies or sole proprietor, depending the kind of business these people are doing. So here you choose income tax. So if it is a sole proprietor, that is individual. So you choose individual, depending the nature of the business of the organization or the person. So for this, for example, for this KRA PIN number, you choose income tax because it is for a company. Then here you just come say installment tax. So you don't choose self-assessment, but you choose installment tax. Okay. And now here it will tell you which period. So with this, because it restricts you, you file the current financial year. For example, this the financial year for the financial period for this company is from January to December. So we are now doing for January. We are projecting. We are doing in installment for January 2022 to December 2022. So you choose that period. So from there, you choose here which prediction base are you using? Okay. Are you seeing? So if you are using prior, you multiply by 110, okay? So if you are using prior, you say it is previous year. But if you are using the projections, you will use January 2022 to December 2022 current year. Umeshika hiyo?
Oh yeah. It's the method that you chose to arrive at
with
the time.
Yes, yeah. So this one depends on the method you use. You used to work your installment tax.
Yeah.
Yeah. So for example, the hours we used to what? We used the current year. Sini ukweli?
Yeah.
So the current year, you just choose the current year. So itakuletea.
Yes.
That is what itakuletea. So itakwambia how much could you estimate tax value, okay? So from there we say it in ngapi? 2280 what? It was 2282 a minute.
Yeah.
2287.5. 2287.50. Okay? That is the that is the estimated amount. So this one does not allow whatever. You just do what? You just round off. I allowing you weke hizo makomas. So it is 0.5, so we round to 8. Sini ukweli? The now amount to be paid. So you can decide to pay the whole amount of 22,800 or you pay kidogo kidogo within that period. Seme wewe unataka kulipa kila month, but tuseme unataka kulipa January kidogo, ulipe February kidogo, ulipe ya March kidogo, provided isipite 20th of the following year, the following month. Unakumbuka the deadline?
20th of the following month.
Yes. So which is 20th of the 4th month.
Of the 4th, the 6th, the 9th.
The 9th, the 12th.
And the 12th.
Sawa? Then now there we can do what? Then from there hapo, so let's say upper we are paying the whole amount. So we say it is 2288, okay? Then hapa itakwambia do you want to add? Utasema it's okay. Do you want to add? Unasema yes. Ipe time. Ji kama imeadd. Yeah, imeadd. It has already already imeongeza. So unaona hapa itakwambia tax application, itakwambia income tax income. Total tax period itakwambia amount to be paid, that one. Itakwambia that way. So, but here we don't want to submit. Okay? Because if we submit, to create a tax liability for this company that KRA watawafuata. So at that point, you submit. So once you submit, you also get the same slip like that. Okay? But hapa juu, special tax obligation itakwambia ni installment tax.
Yeah.
Itakwambia the amount paid, whatever. Itakwambia amount paid, hiyo amount utakuwa umelipa. So the same way, you can either pay using M-Pesa, you can either pay using going with this slip to the bank, so that after you deposit the amount, they will stamp hapa, then they give you the banking slip, and also they give you that one. Itakuwa imeingia kwa KRA. Then you will be safe. Tuko pamoja?
Yeah.
But remember, let me delete this one first before nisahau iendelee. So itakwambia that's been deleted. So you can also try with your KRA pin, but you remember to delete. So delete, you will not have any effect. So after doing all this, so umefanya hivyo, umefanya mpaka December. si ndio? Umelipa mpaka the 12th month.
Yeah.
Now you do your actual financial year. Nakumbuka?
Historical year.
You do the actual financials.
Okay.
So si tuko 2022. So tukifika December tushamaliza our financial year. So come now 2023. So January, maybe January, Feb, nini, we could be able to do what we call our actual financials. Sindio? We determine the actual profit that we have made during the month. Out of the actual profit we have made during the year, we tax 30%. So we compare the total amount that the total installment tax we have paid during the financial year. So if we get it is more, we claim as a refund. But if we get it is less, we do what? We add the difference. We pay that difference to KRA so that hesabu zetu zikuwe zime balance. Tuko pamoja mpaka hapo?
Oh, that's why this has to be done after the financials have been audited.
Exactly. This be done after the financials have been audited. So and again, remember, this one should be done by 30th of April. The following year. So for example, for this company, kama walikuwa nalipa installment tax, financials zao wametengeneza maybe January, February, March, zimekuwa audited, zimefanya kila kitu, determine. So filing all this, the filing for this should be done before 30th of January, 30th of April 2023. So if ukipitisha January, ukipitisha April 30th, utakuwa umepewa penalty. Yeah.
Oh, I think I understand now.
You understand?
So let's say there's normally something I hear that. So the 20th, let's say after, no, I want to understand, after we've closed, the auditors have come, they've audited, they've assessed. The 20th of that April, is it the time they should have already done an assessment?
Is it the 20th?
I'm asking, you see, the 20th of the 4th month, okay, maybe let me rephrase this question. After the financial year, on the 4th,
after the 4th month,
we're in 2023, right?
Yes.
We're on the 4th month. Auditors have come, they've audited, they've given the assessment maybe in April, right?
No, a minute, I cut you short.
Yeah.
On 20th of April 2023, we will be doing remember, this installment tax we have paid for 2022. Okay?
Yes.
We have closed books for 2022.
Yeah.
So remember, when we in the 4th month of the 20th of the 4th month in 2023, we are paying installment tax for the financial year January 2023 to December 2023.
Okay.
So ikifika December, tutakuwa tumefunga vitabu.
Correct.
Na tutakuwa tumefanya nini? Tushalipa the installment tax, the 4 installment period tax for 2022. So it is us to do now, December ikishaisha, it is upon the companies to do the actual financials. So that these actual financials, the auditor can come in depending when you finish. Maybe auditor wenu anakujanga maybe mwezi wa pili ama mwezi wa tatu. So auditor lazima akuje between January na before 30th of April. Because before 30th of April, you are supposed to file for these returns for the previous year, which is 2022. January 2022 to December 2022. Umeelewa hapo?
Oh, so now I understand. So that means the 30th of April of the following year, that's when the assessment should be done. If there was if let's say the company had underpaid tax, had underpaid tax after now doing the actual financials, they should have already remitted that to KRA by 30th.
Correct.
And if they had not, if they had overpaid, they should claim for a refund before 30th.
Correct.
I think, now I think it has sunk properly.
Correct. Yeah. So that one we are correcting back up. We are together back up.
Yes.
So it is now upon you. Go do practice. Do as many practice as you can, so that you can grasp this. Maybe one time you will be employed as a chief accountant in one of the maybe companies. So remember, these are your responsibilities to do what? To ensure that the company complies to the laws of Kenya. So one of the laws of Kenya, it is tax payment. So these things you have to ease of it, so that at least now you will be training your staffs. This is what we do, APCD, na maisha inaendelea mbele.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So I think up to mpaka hapo, do you have any question?
I think you've answered.
Okay.
No confusion of we are in the next year, the 20th, the 30th. There was a bit of confusion, but now it's very clear.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I think we have five minutes remaining so that this meeting can end. So what we do, I take a commercial break for 5 minutes. Then once ikiisha hii, I start another meeting tufanye rental.
So it's okay.
It's okay. So let me take a commercial break for 5 minutes. Then from there, I log in another one. So nitakwambia you log in a new meeting. Then we do rental. It's very short. We do an example. Then we call it a day.
Correct. That's okay.
Okay. Thank you.
That's fine.
Okay.